Okay, I think you are realizing now that background is same, but my look is quite different, right? No worry, this is different because my background is also going to be changed. So watch this video till the end and you will know the surprise. Now I reached to Zirakpur, so after Zirakpur I will take auto for Chandigarh. Okay, finally, so I reached Chandigarh and I'm on the way in sector 32. Basically, I'm going to my college, my SD college, so that I can meet my friend Alisha, who is also going to join me in this vlog. She is going to help me a lot in this regard, so very thankful to her. I got a call from my friend. Because he's my friend, I was quite aware that okay, even we try our best. She's just getting out of her home so that she can reach college, okay? But it's okay because Alisha is quite near to SD college rather than me. So yeah, it's easy for her to reach quickly rather than me. Okay, and let you know that why we are taking so much effort. Okay, I was just reading the books, making the review videos. Then what led me to go outside? You will let you know soon. Like if my friends are watching this video, then you will realize that how much changes are there, okay? And any friend if you're watching me, so hi everyone. Okay, let me tell you one thing, okay? Can you see? Okay, wait. Okay, here is my new friend, okay, Sumit. He helped me to get inside the college because, as you know, that whenever as a student we come to the we enter the college, we have to put our iCard, okay? And this time I asked him that if there is any iCard issue or not, so he just helped me like, no, there is nothing issue like that, I can enter. So I just joined him and I just and so he's Sumit from Jharkhand, and yeah, we just recently exchanged our number so that we can keep in touch. So anything you want to say about why you are in college right now?
I'm in this college for giving my IGNOU exam, and I'm doing masters from IGNOU, and today's my exam, and I suddenly meet with a girl, and it's so if you are watching this video and if you are new to channel, please subscribe, do subscribe, like, share. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for advance promotion. And I didn't say that please do that. Okay, he voluntarily do. So thank you. Okay, so as you can see that I'm not in college, so that means that now we are on the way. And if I'm saying we are on the way, so I think you understood what I'm saying. So now Alisha is with me.
Hello everyone.
So yeah, finally me and Alisha are together and we are going to make vlog, Chandigarh bookstore vlog, okay? Finally, we are reaching to our first location, which is the browser. Okay, so we are quite excited and as well as nervous. So
I'm more nervous than excited.
so let's see what will happen. Okay, so finally we are at the browser. Please subscribe to my channel and keep in touch because our upcoming vlogs are waiting for you. Okay, alright, so finally we have done. So we have finally done with the browser shooting, okay? And I think our experience was good, but I think it takes a lot of time, literally. So what do you think, Alisha? What was your experience?
I think it's a really nice bookstore. Everybody should check it out if they're in Chandigarh. And the collection of the books they had, it was really good and I was impressed. I'm not even a usual visitor at the libraries and I was impressed. So I'm pretty sure the person who is actually interested in this kind of stuff will definitely like it. So one must visit this.
अब तो visit कर लो. Now we are done with the capital. Two bookstore are done, and though we are little bit tired, but yes, we have to do with third one also. So, Alisha,
what was it? I think you should re-record it because I was looking really weird at the back.
No, I will not going for re-recording.
Yes, I think you should re-record it.
Not at all. Okay. So, what was your experience in this Capital Book Depot?
Okay, I think it's a really cute bookshop. The thing is, there are very different and very interesting books here. Even the ambience is really pretty, and I think the atmosphere is something that, if you are looking for something elegant, so a place where you can spend time with the books and yourself, I think this is the right place to be.
Finally done. Okay, so we are way back to home.
Finally, we are on our way back to home. It was a really good experience. We got to know so many different things that we were not aware of before. So we got to meet so many different people and so many different, there are different types of owners. Everybody has each very individual goal.
Right, so our journey together is going to over now. So I'm going outside, I will take auto and then way back to my home. So bye Alisha.
So we're gonna make a video out of it. I hope we have already seen it. That's why you're watching us right now. So please let us know in the comment section how do you like it and what do you think about it and what more videos would you like to see in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. So finally I'm back to my home, and same background is there, and yeah, this day was quite new for me. This was something new for me. It was quite colorful, and I really enjoyed that. And now I have to do a lot of work, like I need to join a lot of unsettled clips, edit them, and then make a complete video, and obviously after then I will share all those vlogs with you. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can actually watch all the videos, all the upcoming vlogs, and you can understand what kind of experience we gone through, me and my friend, and you can also get that kind of experience in a better way. You just need to give some time and visit there. Okay, so make sure, I think somewhere here or your end screen will give the playlist of vlogs, so please keep your eye on them. We will come up with new video as soon as possible. I'm really excited.